everyone, Ryan from Grays. Now coming up this month in our Grays Platinum auction in conjunction with Tough Automotive, Benzina Stables and Eurohub, I just want to show three of the Aussie classic cars we've got, starting with this HT 350 Bathurst Monaro, matching numbers. This FPV F6, now it's only done 4,800 kilometres, the car's like brand new. And for a bit of American muscle, we've got this Roush Mustang, 700 plus horsepower out of this monster. So they're just three of the cars, but I'd like to take you back, give you a little bit more of a look at the HT Monaro. Now we've all seen some great looking HT and HG Monaros over the years, but this example here really knocks them out of the park. It's had a full resto, it's finished in Silver Mink, it is a matching number 350 HT GTS, and it's just absolutely stunning. But I'd like to give you a look under the bonnet of this car, because this is where this car really stands out from the rest. We see so many of these things that have been restored, but you have a look in here, and he's even chosen, if you look closely, the inner guards now are finished in a dark grey, which was the factory colour. It's even right down to the washer wiper mode is the correct colour, and so is the steering box. Absolutely gorgeous, but beautiful old classic Monaro. Let's have a look at the FPV. And when it comes to Fords, I think the FG version, the FPVs, was the best looking car. I love the front. I love the colour coding they did on the front spoiler. And this example of the F6 has only travelled 4,800 kilometres. It is a manual. It's finished in red, which I reckon is a gun colour. Still got the factory wheels on it, and it is just like a brand new car. Now these are dead set of modern classic. People are really going towards these Turbo 6s now. They're a fantastic powertrain in them, and this thing is certainly a stunning example. Then we come to a little bit of American muscle. So the new generation Ford Mustang was first released in Australia in 2015, and were an instant hit. There was 6 months waiting list to try and get hold of one. The example we've got here, this is actually a Roush Mustang. Now this car pumps out over 700 horsepower. It's got the full Roush body kit, the bigger premium brake package, suspension. This car has been totally transformed by Roush. It's fully complied, and it's only travelled 17,000 kilometres. But the sound of this car, it sounds like one of Dick Johnson's supercar Mustangs. I think we should fire up, you can have a listen. Seriously, that is the toughest sounding Mustang I've heard in many, many years. It sounds like a V8 supercar, but it's fully road registered. It has only travelled 12,000 kilometres. Amazing car. So this has really been a great opportunity to show you the evolution of muscle cars in Australia, from the early HT Bathurst Monaros to the very hot Turbo 6 Falcons, and of course to the Mustangs. Now all these cars are coming up in our Platinum auction in conjunction with Tough Automotive, Benzina Stables and Eurohub. So if you'd like some more information, go to grays.com. It's got the full listing of all the cars. But don't forget to go to our YouTube channel to see videos on each and every car in the collection.